Hi, welcome to this ASW technology tutorial, and you will learn how to make an easy notepad app using App Inventor. Here we are at the startup screen once you create the project. So let's get started. First, we'll take all the components we need to create this app out. So take screen arrangement, take a table arrangement, take 2 of those. Go back to the basics and take one button to the top arrangement, a label to the top arrangement, a text box to the bottom arrangement, and another button to the bottom arrangement as well. Rename the label to Note. Later rename the button next to the label to Edit. Also, you rename the screen arrangements if you want to whatever you want, and the other text boxes and buttons as well. Okay, so now change the text of the label. It doesn't really matter what you change it to at the beginning, since when you open the app it won't be there. The text of the button you should change to Edit Note, and then you may change the hint in the text box on the bottom arrangement to whatever you want really. And also the button next to the text box should be called Save. So it will save your note. Okay, so go back to your label and resize it. The bigger it is, the more text it can hold really. So it's good to make it big. Yeah, that's good enough. Maybe a little wider though it should be. Alright, so now you also need a TinyDB. It's in the basic palette at the bottom. It's a non-visible component, so you won't be able to see it in the app itself. It won't be there. Yeah, but this is what will allow you to store your note for when you reopen the app on another occasion. So now we will come back when we get the block editor open, and we'll show you the scripting. Okay, so now we have all the scripting, and now I'll explain what each one is for and what it does. So the first one is when screen 1 is initialized. So when you open the app, the only screen that you will see will be the home screen, the screen arrangement that you took out at the beginning, and the edit screen will not be visible. So this is exactly what you want. And the note I will explain a little bit later when I get into the database. The next one is when the save button is clicked, it will take you back to the home screen. So edit screen visible is false, so you won't be able to see it, and the home screen is true. Also, to make the note be saved when you exit the app and reopen it, you will also use this TinyDB storage value function, and this will store whatever you put in the text box it'll just store it and keep it as the note when you reopen the app, like I said before. The tag you can rename to whatever you want. It has to correspond to the one in the screen one initialized. And the store value will be the edit box dot text, which is the text that will be in the text box in the edit screen. This last piece of that whole thing is just for the first time. So when you return to the main screen, your note will be there, since the TinyDB won't store it right away. Like, it won't store, so you'll see nothing if you just don't have that. Then the last part is the edit click, and this just changes screens, so you go to the edit screen and leave the home screen. So yeah, that's all the scripts. Here's the finished product, and I hope you learned something, and I hope this was a good introduction to App Inventor for you. Thank you.